Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones, you won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight. Push me down to the ground, what goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out, you can't get to me. Say what you wanna say, go take it all away, but I'm here to stay, no you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight.
Chad. It is Monday, it is New York session, and the volume shouldn't be far behind. Just for a first time, I think this definitely must be a first time, but we got Big B, we got the prop firm killer, we got the prophet in the building. Mr. Bonang, how you doing today, my brother?
I'm good. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hey, there we go. We
Beautiful.
flew him in, guys. He is here to milk the markets.
Beautiful stuff.
I hope you guys are ready for it. It's going to be a good session. Definitely some setups we are looking at and have our eyes on. So we're going to keep it locked in for the markets and see what is happening. Mr. Enjoy yourself.
Yes,
Hey.
enjoy yourself this afternoon.
There we
Enjoy
go.
yourself.
You guys are all going to be enjoying yourselves with the profits that are incoming. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe. We are just under that 17.5 and the road to 18K. So make sure you have those safety belts on and ready to go. But just before we do that, guys, we are going to open up with a prayer. I'm going to hand over to Mr. Bonang to please open us up with a prayer.
Okay, let us pray. Father, Lord Jesus, we come into your holy presence this afternoon. We thank you, Lord, for the gift of life. It's not by mighty nor by power that we are alive today. We come into your presence with thanksgiving, thanking you for protection throughout the day from morning up until this session. We pray, Father, that you bless the work of our hands. What we do from now going forward, may it prosper by default. Lord, we pray that you plant a spirit of prosperity by default, a spirit of winning by default. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Beautiful, beautiful stuff there, my brother. Chad,
Amen.
I'm going to just do a quick run through on the markets, and then I'm going to give over to the man because you're going to want to see what this man's been cooking up over there. But Chad, as always, I love to share all the amens because you guys know it. The more, the merrier. Then we know he is here with us and guiding us through these markets. But Chad, let's get right into it. So we're going to start off here with a little bit of fundamental chat. Let's see what is happening. So again today, literally clear sailing for us on this Monday. Lots of yellow folders, nothing affecting us there. And going into the New York session, we can see just lots of more yellow folders. So nothing too much for us to watch out for. Hopefully from tomorrow, we will see again yellow folders, a few red folders, but nothing too crazy. So going to be quite a nice week getting to the end of everything, yeah. But let's go to the charts and see what is happening. So on the daily, guys, keep in mind we will have that neutral outlook on the dollar. Reason for that is we are still stuck around that monthly pivot. We want to see what's going to happen there. We are starting to break a little bit further down. Keep in mind we're having an idea of a bearish dollar, but every time we start breaking lower, we pulled back. We broke lower, we pulled back. We broke lower, we pulled back. Again, do we break lower today? If this thing still pulls back, I honestly don't know anymore. But now when you look at it this way, we have already taken previous weekly lows. So is this going to be the fake out, find support, and continue bullish? We're going to have to wait and see now in the New York session. But again, we do like that momentum. Dollar is really falling, taking some shots, almost 1% down on the day already. But if this thing does hold previous weekly low, good chance it's going to come back into the fight. Going over to NASDAQ, again, very, very interesting now for us. We are neutral. Now, the thing is, guys, as much as we are bullish on the day, you guys know that means I'm bullish for the week. A Monday, Tuesday, I'm going to probably see a little bit of a sell-off. Now, the thing for us is this the sell-off and we're already starting to go? Because could this be the low of the week and we turn around? We're going to have to find out, yeah. But holding that key area, previous day lows, Asia highs, Asia lows, coming back down. Really trying to go for that weekly pivot and then having a little bit of a turnaround. Back at Asia lows now. If it finds support here, back above daily S2, we could see us go back to previous daily low and Asia highs all the way back up there. So as I said, could this be the low of the week already? Otherwise, this thing is really going to turn around and take some shots today. US 30 on the other hand, again, we are still neutral. Big thing for me today, we are really in a very, very neutral position. But difference is we are coming off of a test of a key area. So this thing can really be trying to turn around. On the 4 hour, Asia lows turning back there, holding Asia lows quite strongly. So as we spoke about this morning, if you guys were here, you would know we spoke about the play of the reverse grabber kick. Now, what is that? Asia highs, Asia lows, break of Asia lows. Once closing back in, that's where you would enter and target the Asia highs EQ. Thanks so much for the reverse play. So really coming nicely over there for us. Again, if anyone's in that trade, definitely great stuff. But we're going to see what happens. Do we get the move to continue from this point, as I said, for the low of the week? Or are we going to take this, and is this going to play catch up to NASDAQ? We're going to have to wait and see a little bit. But lastly, with gold, we still, as well, guys, in that neutral outlook. I do like the sells, I must say. I'm not against them completely. But the big thing for us is, as I said, we traded bearish. We had to come make our lower highs. Now we have that area at this monthly pivot. So if we can hold this monthly pivot, we start turning around. This could be the high, hence we have our alerts ready there. You can see previous daily high, Asia highs for that fake out. But if it already holds and goes back down, we could see underneath this weekly pivot the driver volume to take the test of Asia lows, the EQ daily pivot, and see gold really fall to the downside. Honestly, anywhere around here, we can already see previous daily lows, so 31.55, and then I won't even lie to you, previous weekly lows all the way back down there, 31.20. And then you start getting to the daily S2, weekly S1, and those areas, as well as that yearly resistance. So a lot can happen there with gold. We're going to have to just keep an eye on it, see what we can scale in on, and then take it from there. But Chad, that is everything from my side. I'm going to give over to the man himself, Mr. Bunang.
Thank you so much, Kicks. Wonderful, powerful, and clear analysis there. All right, beautiful stuff. Yeah, the 2Gs. The man is smooth in real life as on his socials. Wonderful. I am a witness. Thank you so much, 2Gs. It feels at home here. I always say, sometimes I feel like I belong here. I don't need to go back to Pretoria, but it is well. Wonderful. Kyla, is it Kyle or Jacob says, Bonang, you feeling smooth, my brother? Very smooth. Very, very smooth. Wonderful. 2Gs. All right, there we are. I believe that you were here in the morning, London session. We executed together, guys, pushing up very well. All the way up, I would say for me, I am currently risk-free on this trade, and I'm still expecting this market to jump from this zone where we are. We are sitting at a resistance area. So I'm expecting this market to jump up. Now we're seeing it jumping inside. I mean, from this level is a resistance. Coming back down here may really be a thing that should not catch anyone by surprise. A jump inside or above that zone may mean us going up to the CV. However, that's how I am this wonderful morning. I mean, this wonderful afternoon. And I'm expecting this market to break this level and then push up. If we break this zone where we are now, we are unstoppable all the way to the up. So that's how we are. Let me just quickly jump into NASDAQ, because remember, I have 2 trades today. So as of NASDAQ, I was actually a bit confused. I don't know if these trades, we took them during the London session. But when I came to the chart, I noticed that, yeah, we did execute some buys there. But it's in a very critical zone for me, honestly speaking. If I look at NASDAQ right now, I would say this here will be a clean range. If we are to drop from that zone, we'll be coming all the way down from that area, all the way down this side. So that trade will be a bit skeptical. For me, I just don't know how I entered those trades. But what can we say? It's simple, because the drop was done, and I'm expecting this market to then drive from that zone. Let's just observe and see how the market will behave in that zone. However, based on the mathematics and the direction today, we are still bullish at the same time, but at a very risk area if it comes to NASDAQ. And also, as of US 30, quite very good. I would still expect this market to push all the way up. But guys, like I said, we are at a resistance area. Sitting at that zone, market may come all the way down. This is something that people must always bear in mind. Basically, let's just see if we have a jump inside that zone, and then that will be good. But I'm bullish overall. I'm not going to change my direction for the day. This is my trading zone, from that zone to that zone and then above. So still very much bullish on all areas. Thank you so much.
Hey, beautiful stuff. There we go, guys. So we're going to see, okay, and the indices dropping. Ooh, okay. So guys, liking a little bit of the move against Bonang there. We're going to see how that one plays out.
Yeah, we shall see.
We're going to see there, Chad. But the man deep in the blues already. Again, was all given to you guys this morning that he was very clearly looking for those buys. And again, was actually given to you guys at the time when it was actually at entry. So a lot of you guys had the chance to get in on those trades. So hopefully you guys didn't miss out on that. What else are you missing here? But it seems to be pushing back up. Sales on iron 2K for gold. Is that with the filter on, my brother? Let's just have a look here quickly, Martin. Yes, it is. Personally, now, okay, I know this is going to be a bit confusing. I wouldn't like them. Now, again, going back to the fact, I know what you're going to say this because we've told you guys, unless you test in the new ones, kind of stay away from the 1 minute. So let me just show you. The thing for me is you took a sell at the high of the day on the 1 minute and almost 2 sells. And this thing's been running in TP, okay? But then when a 5 minute goes and gives you the sell, I don't like this, because it's like, think of it, I always say to guys, the same thing when we talk about Bitcoin, for example. Let's talk about Bitcoin here. Everyone goes and says, hey bro, buy Bitcoin. Yes, you can catch the move. Then the other guy's telling you, your mate who works at, I don't know, he's a mechanic and he's telling you go buy Bitcoin, and he buys, he's making some profits. Now when it gets to the point that, let's say your granny or your maid is coming to you and telling you, oh my word, you must go buy Bitcoin. That is not when you want to buy it, because when everyone is now buying, that's when the original buyers are going to start stepping out, taking their profits, and you're going to see the market actually reverse. And that's the same thing here in essence, where The fact that, as I say to you, I know we told you don't look at the 1 minute, but the one did catch 2 sells, one over here, and this move down here already. And then the 5 still knew to get in. The 5 was late. The signal was technically given so much earlier. This is not the trade you want to get in on. So I know it's there, but again, this is that learning experience. Also, when you look at gold and it's 1% up on the day, almost I want to say in a trending market, your trade you want to take is kind of the risky one at the high of the day. For example, rejecting off of a monthly pivot, then taking a low over there. That's when you want to catch that move. When you're halfway in, we always like to call it no man's land. There's no levels of support. There's nothing really. These aren't really the trades you want to take. So, as I said, I know it did give you a sell there, and that is with the filter on. But as I'm not saying this an indicator now. As a trader, that when you understand the markets, this is not a trade I would have taken. So I personally, if this gives me a sell, I would rather be taking that sell around here somewhere. As I said to the guys, that's why my alerts here, previous daily highs, almost kind of taking the highs of the day. And then if I get, let's say, a reversal like this, and it gives me a sell, 100% on the money, that's a sell. I'll be taking to now go take the lows. So yeah, I hope it makes sense, my brother. As you say, these markets have just been very choppy the last weeks. We are trying to get things correct there. But yeah, US30, I mean, the same thing. If we go to US30, I think it didn't give anything other than this morning. I mean, a sell over there. And it's the same thing. You kind of sell in, like there was the move. And now it prints a sell. Like, hello, you don't want to be doing that. So yeah, I think it was a little bit delayed today. As I said, we're going to have a look in the dev team. The 1 minute, again, as we say, it's been very, very choppy. But yeah, the 1 minute has at least been decent today. I mean, took a break even there, took the win there. That was a sell. So yeah, you did get clapped there. It was a very, very tight stop. But as I say, so even the one was technically is up now on the day. But yeah, markets have been relatively choppy. Keys, hey, caught a nice drop on Bitcoin earlier today, your hundreds. Keys, praat net feite, hey. I did that risky trade and made 30, so I'm very happy. Oh, yeah, let's just say it can play out, but personally, I wouldn't be in on that. Selling session lows and daily lows are very risky. We have mentioned it before, yeah. So as we say, we obviously get the guys, and I always say people should like ask questions and take a note of these things. So for example, I think that's where we talk about time on the charts and actually learning when we are talking. So for example, Martin, the fact you're saying there it didn't look good, I'm hoping you didn't take that one. Because for example, if you didn't take that one and you see it reverse, that actually also shows you're learning now. You are to a point reading the markets now. So that's always what you want guys to get to. Lol, yeah, I didn't take it. Hey, okay, perfect, bro, perfect. There we go. Because that's the thing, like I want to say the indicator, if you want to think of it in a nutshell, it's going to get you in. And yes, it's going to get you wins and things like this, wins, losses, wins, where you can still come up profitable at the end. But it's kind of like your foot in the door for trading. But through doing that, because you're naturally going to be trading, you're going to be interacting, you're going to be doing stuff in the charts, you're going to start learning. And then that's kind of where you're going to start elevating your trading after that. 100% on gold keys. I'm looking for a small retracement in 32.17 to buy to the daily and Asia highs and then join the sells. Yeah. Yeah, so I'd love one more push to the top side before I sell. Same with US30. So US30, I want to move to the top, sell, and obviously same with gold. I want that move to the top and then sell. So let's see what's going to happen here with the guys. What move was, oh, that was that again. What else is, I mean, just guys, there are 5. Markets have just been so quiet. But hopefully this week we're going to get some movement here.
It's promising.
Yeah.
Very, very promising.
Sure. That coffee feels like it was made with lava inside it. Yes.
The marathon run is you start slowly and you finish strong. Basically, that's how we are this month.
Yeah.
We have been on a marathon, and that marathon has not been an easy one. That means at some point, some need to rest, some need to drink water and gain some energies. But I foresee a perfect ending of this month as well. Brooks, I'm good. How are you? Are you good? I'm in a buy on indices, but also holding a sell from Friday on German 30. Lol. Okay. My weekend was smooth, brother. Very, very smooth. How about you? How was your weekend? This weekend, for me, it was smooth, but it looked short. It felt very short. Very, very short. There's something that is very, very interesting on indices. If you check, the drops are more stronger than the bulls. That means bearish candles are coming in with force. That some buyers are taking profits to some extent, but nevertheless, let's see who wins. Buys, I'm with you on indices there. Today we are bullish. But honestly speaking, I don't want to lie to you with the way US 30 is, where it's sitting there. For me, it's a critical zone. It's more like on a resistance. That area there, market may fail to break up, but let's see. Since the mathematics never lies. So we are always watching. Not really. There is no strong support actually. It's at a weakest zone. So to sustain that level is something else. So stop losses are not really the main issue. The main issue is the weakening part of it is that we are seeing buyers taking their profits. So somehow sellers are the ones coming in to push this price.
There we go. Sorry, but it's on your screen there, my brother.
Okay, it's fine. Yeah, because if you are to check something here, if I'm just going to quickly do this, if you are to check something here, just look at this area. That's a resistance currently. And then if you check something again, you would notice that at this area, we got though it was a trade on Friday, one would say this is a fake out, right? Somewhere there. And then we dipped in back to that zone. I would have loved to see this price pushing towards above this zone and sustaining above it. And then based on the mathematics again, we are getting this as a key zone. For me, it's a weaker one. Looking at the fact that there is a lower zone, maybe from Thursday, from Thursday, that weaker, that strong, it's more like a strong one. This one here, this would be a proper support area, other than this one to be used as a support. It's weak. So price is likely going to breach that and come down here. Then from there, maybe bounce. But let's see. If we sustain that level, that would be great, and we push up. That will be a continuation of these buys.
Alright, sorry Chad, that was actually just the guys about Carl's delivery for the TV and the PlayStation. So obviously I had to just take that call quickly. Don't take stop losses by dropping. Yeah, things are going to get interesting now on the market open. Have you gone break even, Bonang?
I closed half of my positions, but I'm still in. I'm not closing these trades, guys.
Nah, Chad, I think a lot of guys also misunderstand. I think what Bonang, for example, did by closing half in this situation was a very good idea because, and it sounds simple, but yeah, a lot of guys forget about it, is when you trade in, and again, he's trading live capital now. Never, don't forget to pay yourself.
Very important.
And what he's done now is he's left positions open there that can still run. But for example, he had a nice push. He's already taken some of that capital. So he knows, even if that thing does turn around, he still did make money on that trade.
Yeah.
So you're never leaving just money out on the table.
No. I was up around 345. I took half of it.
Yeah.
Imagine. So around 200, I'm safe.
So even, let's say, because you're not break even, but even those rest of the positions, if they even hit your stop here, it technically is still a winning trade for you.
Yes, yeah. For
That's
the day,
that's
yeah.
what guys don't understand. So even now you have the potential for it to still run.
Yes.
But even if it goes and hits stops, because he's already taken more percentage of wins, it's still a winning day.
Yeah, and still, if it goes a bit down and I see an evidence, because I'm bullish, I'm still going to add another trade.
Yeah, so why you think of it, yes, what we're saying is if he hits stops, he will lose profits. But I'm saying because he took, so let's say he was up 300, he took half of that. He's now taken 150.
Yeah.
If that goes down and let's say it hits stops, his stops is maybe, let's say, only 40.
Yeah.
He's still then up 110K for the day. Does that make sense?
Smooth way of trading.
Did you guys check the downgrade of rating from what? Did you guys check the downgrade on rating from Moody's on US? Let's see what impact that does on indices from AAA to AA1. Oh damn! Now I never saw that, my man. We have 30 seconds till market open, Chad. 30 seconds. Let's see if we get the volume today we have been looking for. Mathematics coming into play. There we go.
Yes.
Right,
See.
Chad. Let's see how markets are going to be opening up now. Let's see what is coming to. Give us something here today. And that's it, Chad. Round 2. Markets open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Round 1. Fight.
Smooth.
Let's see. Let's see.
Ten is 10, not you guys. Let's see.
All right. Quick little gap there from US 30. But looks like it wants to put some momentum again to the top side.
Very positive. If it flips that H1 Kingly, guys, we are in. Then you'll be like, enjoy yourself.
Hey.
Enjoy yourself.
In the chat, you guys gonna be making money then.
Bonang is so chilled. This volatility doesn't even scare him. Why should I fear money? Why should I fear money? I fear poverty more than money. Timber high. You're good. Fear is one of the most dangerous things that you can ever have as a trader. Myself, I don't mind as long as I'm convinced that I'm bullish, basically based on my strat. I don't use anything that inflicts fear on me at all. I don't want to take my decisions based on the fact that it's New York opening or there is news. No. I take my decisions based on what I see in that particular day. Bank managers fear, Bona. Yeah, the only thing that I'm scared of is poverty. I don't want to go back there. Suffering is not good.
Hey, there we go, Chad.
We are filing a divorce against poverty. This year, our next generation will never suffer again. Let's see, 32, 34. At 34 there should be a clear direction. Currently still boiling. That's New York session for you. 34, we should see a breakout pushing up very well. So let's see. 34, there should be a clean push. Nice. Very smooth. Guys. Yeah.
Hey, there that thing's going, Chad. One way.
Take off like a private jet. And who is the pilot? The 2Gs.
Hey.
34.
One-way traffic there.
I want to see 34 behavior on M1. If we break where the price is currently sitting at 30, that for me gives me more confidence. 4 minutes after. 4 minutes after. This here will be left alone, abandoned, pushing up. Two Gs are the pilots. Simple. Simple. Too much money. Enjoy yourself.
Here we have it, Chad.
That's 34, right? 34, come on. Come in, man. Yeah, let's see. Beautiful. I want to see a breakout there, that moment. Give me something. Give me something. Ooh, very weak one. But let's see. Nice. Abandon that zone and leave it for good. Beautiful. Let's go.
Hey, Chad, this thing is going.
Yeah.
It's going, baby.
Where were you when I told you we are moving?
Martin, that's US study.
Jesus is Lord. Nice. I want us to see the level being abandoned. Immediately we abandon this level here, we are good. We're gonna fly. I used Bonang as confluence. Beautiful. Fly with me. I just want to see the market abandoning this level, guys. Once we abandon this level, then we are good to go. Let's see. Do you have M1 on your side?
M1.
Yeah. M1. Can you open your chart on M1? I want to see something. And display it here.
Open it up, yeah.
US 30 M1.
There we go.
Fly Bonang A. Nice. Yeah, you see where this market is there. We need to leave and abandon that area on TP4. That's the area that has been holding as a resistance for the day. We need to abandon that area and then we are good to go. All the way to the CV. From the CV then, I tell you.
Jay, myself and Manang were talking about this earlier, where markets were down, and chilling and everything. We were watching all this drawdown before stream. We were sitting here saying, this thing must push. Because remember I said the same thing, you guys. I want to see a push, and if it reverses, I'll take the sell. And Bonang was like, he still wants to buy because his area of interest lines up exactly with where TP4 was, which showed that we still had volume to go back up here.
Yeah.
So, for example, what I always go back to this about trading is what I love is two completely different reasons and two reasons we were doing things. But yet, at the end of the day, both giving you the same answer.
Simple.
We both still wanted markets to come back over here. We had different reasons for it, but we still wanted markets to come here.
Simple. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Let's go. Now I can trade US state. Lyndon, how are you doing, my brother? How are you doing? I saw your testimony. You were saying the Mets is doing wonders.
Yeah, Martin, again, that on that 5 though, again, I wouldn't take that buy. Because now you're buying at the high of the day. You've missed the whole move, and now you're buying. So you know what I'm saying again. So this buy I wouldn't take, because now firstly you literally buying the high of the day, and secondly you're buying at Asia highs, EQ, daily pivot, where there's so many reasons the market could still reverse here. So again, yes, this trade can 100% still move and run, but to enter here, I wouldn't want to enter here.
It's risky.
Yeah, I just mentioned it, but you're waiting. Yeah, no, exactly, bro. That's the right thing to do. As we say, sometimes, you know, trading, we always say trading is boring sometimes because you just got to sit on your hands. But when that right moment comes and you can enter and that trade just goes your direction, trust me, you're going to know.
That's fine, my guy.
Well done, Bonang. You're in deep blues. I knew they'd use 30 sell or cap the boys.
Whoever was selling, why would you sell? That's my question. Why would you sell? Why would you sell? Bonang said buy. The mate said buy. 2Gs said buy. You want to sell? Why? You see where we are holding there? One would want to see this thing pumping. But we are watching it. Very, very close.
You gotta watch it, yeah, Chad.
Well done, Bonang. You're in deep blues. Yes. Today I made money. I think I'm up 500K today. Only today.
Hey, Chad.
I was on sales, 100K. Now, if I show you how much I'm making now, you will not believe it. 405K. Do you see that?
Hey, Chad, let's go. Let's quickly make it full screen, then you got.
See? Do you see this? It must be clear. See now, the screen is running away. Smooth. Very, very smooth.
Hey.
Don't know what. 402K. So it's 500 today. That's a lot of money. The math is smooth.
Hey, you had it, Chad. You guys heard it.
The math, we are leaving that zone. We are abandoning it. Fly. We are the pilots today. Me and Kicks. Pushing smoothly.
Chad, this man's milking the
What
markets
are you
here.
looking for? What else do you want? 500, 450, 460.
Man is marking the markets here.
Guys, you don't understand. Hey. Okay, I'm going to enjoy yourself. That's what we can say. Guys. Kicks. I'm out.
You out, my brother.
I'm out. I'm out. But the move is still moving. Check Kicks.
Nah, that thing can still go, bro.
563,000. It's still going up. Show them my screen.
Let's put it on the man's screen here, Chad, just so you guys can see.
See that? We're coming here at that CV. But I have enjoyed myself. I don't know about you. Let's quickly see what NASDAQ is doing. Aha!
Man's milking it there, Chad.
Oh my God. What a day. I told you. We are buying. And somebody was selling. The question is why? Just do you see this buy? Guys, CVTB gonna make me so happy. Yes, enjoy yourself. Yeah. Guys, I just really don't know.
Let's see ya, Chad.
You win by default. Don't just skip these streams. Don't skip them. win by default. One thing I love, Kicks, is that we don't edit screenshots. It's a live thing. We do it here all together. When we post, it's real. Live. When they say we are faking it, we just replay. Smooth trades, guys. Enjoy yourself. I do have.
You can't hide this stuff.
I do have another trade that is running, but for now, no Kululu, no Kalala.
Hey. It goes back to that quote, you don't believe 10K a month is possible until you hang around people who make it in a day. 100%. How much in USD? In USD, that is about 20, I'd say Bonang is probably up about $23,000 for the day.
W's, thank you guys. Enjoy yourself. Nice.
We have established a long time ago that Bonang is the market maker.
W's. When can I come clear your 1% of profit? No problem. You are welcome. We are looking for those that are good to us in order for us to be good to them.
Hey, Chad.
Bonang with
man
the vibes.
is
Now, guys, just
destroying the market.
are you seeing the screen? Are you seeing the screen? We woke up knowing where the market is going. And literally, this is not just the target. The main target is here. That's where that market is going. We know. This is what you call insider trading if you don't know. You know insider trading? Yeah, it's illegal, but we do it.
I love it, Chad. I love it.
Enjoy yourself. How is NASDAQ doing? Smooth. Yeah. I just don't know. If you are still doubting, then it's a problem. I think, yes, in the London session, I was saying, I wonder how I entered, but I entered in a very good way. I said our target will be this level. I mentioned it during our London session. Just look at that. Clean. So enjoy yourself. There's nothing we can say. No more negotiation.
Sure. US studies is the one massive bullish candle.
It's flying. Must fly.
Now
You see
it's
now-
catching it now.
Yeah, if you check this US state, it's actually sitting above the zone that I was saying it's a resistance. So if we sustain and remain there, forget about going down. This guy must go to prison. I have been to prison before. I don't mind. I don't mind. Nothing scares me.
Hey, in winter, instead of buying a heater, Bonang burns money to keep himself warm. Chad. Naz usually is a smooth operator. Hey, Chad, you can't make this stuff up. This man is...
But how did you have the confidence to know it was going to reverse at that point? Insider trading. Insider trading. No, guys, honestly speaking, God has revealed some things to us at Bonang Financial Institute. And now the 2Gs, because the 2Gs adopted me and put a shield and protected me to say, no, this man is not an ordinary man. I mean, Chris has been saying those things every day on stream here. So I just feel at home here. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the most powerful things you can ever know.
Chad, I promise you, all I'm saying is, and again, that's why we've done it 3 times and we're going to do it again.
Yeah.
You need to wait until this guy's podcast is going to come out when we shoot this thing again tomorrow.
Yeah.
This is the only podcast we've shot 3 times and it still isn't there. We will shoot it a 4th time and get it out because, Chad, it is one of the craziest stories you're ever going to hear.
Yeah.
Just about to trade Bonang 2G trading merch. The Bonang and 2G trading merch, it is definitely on the way.
What kind of match is that?
The clothing merch.
Oh, okay.
We will definitely be doing a collaboration with Bonang.
Nice.
The 2G is super smooth merch.
Very nice.
Pablo Escobar of trading.
He actually said, Chris said he will do a t-shirt that says only smoothness, no roughness.
Yeah.
Guys, do you see what I see on US 30 there?
The Bonangalicious t-shirts.
I'm telling you.
Chad, I can tell you now, there's definitely going to be the one when it's going to have TP hit in the front, and then on the back, enjoy yourself.
Enjoy yourself. How much will you pay for that t-shirt? Let me ask. How much?
I want a smooth operator t-shirt. But now in the book DF, you sent me the weekend really helped this weekend. The PDF.
Yeah. Beautiful. Enjoy yourself, my brother.
US studies just.
Enjoy
What
yourself.
is this thing doing?
We are going far with the insider trading.
Chad, where the hell is US study going?
God, really intentional because of college. Aha! I told you.
Family, TG just dropped such amazing nuggets of knowledge. This is priceless. If they did, I'd sponsor Bonang because he's super smooth. Keys, it's going far. Bro, this thing is taking off over here. At this point, yes, it's Chad. And again, you got to make this up. You guys can go back to the London stream. Bonang entered this trade in London.
Yeah.
And you guys are watching it.
I even told them where this price is going.
Hey, Chad.
Someone was selling. I don't know. Your mentor, whoever, was telling you to sell right now here. You were selling, you guys. Now you are praying that price must go back to your entry. Don't do that.
Chad, I promise you this is just something different. Watching me when I take my 60 pips and Bonang's like almost 300 pips up at the moment. It's just, it's something else.
Think about it. But Kicks, it's just that people think I'm joking when I say don't trade against the 2Gs. I'm not playing. Guys, I'm not playing. This thing, there's never been such a thing in trading where you know where the price is going, relaxed and smoothly doing it.
Yeah.
Smooth. On H1.
Man is milking. Chad, there's 240 of you at the moment. Only 99 likes. Come on, you
Check
guys have to give a like for this.
Check NASDAQ. We executed these trades as well during London session in the morning. I spoke about that target. Just look at that. The volume is back.
Martin, trust me, we also trying to figure this stuff out.
You may not understand.
Well, like, who and what are you?
I am a spirit.
Hey,
I am a
Chad,
spirit.
we told you this. It's not even a joke. I'm waiting for the day, Chad. Bonang does FTMO. Because I will put money on this right now. Bonang will be on that leaderboard. I will put money on it. If you, Chad, think about this. Just think about this logically. Like, we're talking the big boy accounts here. Like, the $200,000 accounts. As you said there. This, what he was up now. And keep in mind, he closed early, technically, where this thing was still pushing now. He closed again. This thing, he still would have been up. I would have easily said this could have been a $30,000 day for him.
Even 50. Going far.
In one day. In one day, doing 15, 16, 18% a day. Like, Chad, that's crazy numbers. Like, I will put money onto this man would be on the FTMO leaderboard. Familia entered during the London session and still holding. There we go.
Beautiful. You must enjoy yourself. Look at that NASDAQ.
Bonang must be in contact with Powell because there's no way.
Do you know, Kicks, that there are times where when we review our trades, like April, there's no loss. The whole month.
Hey.
We review our trades every day, hitting TPs like crazy.
Right? Jake's, he's not, because that's the thing. When you're trading like this, bro, you're on side quests. You're on side quests to trade all the other ones and basically see how many of them you can bankrupt. That's the side quest you're on at this point.
Somebody's asking me, Bona, why are you not on FTMO? Okay, I want you to understand something about me. I am one person who opposes the majority. When crowd is going east, I go west. When crowd is going west, I go east. I feel like it's overcrowded and they are expensive unnecessarily. Their account, 200,000 account, I think I pay around 23,000. And if I calculate 23,000 going to Vault Funder, going to Commit Capital or other prop firms here, I can buy almost 4 accounts from that price. So for me, it's the same. $200,000, $10,000 drawdown. So I have some prop firms that would give me 50% discount. So I weigh options to say, is it worth it to get a 23,000 Rand account at the same price, same level, same margin? Then I split that 23,000 into 4 accounts. It gives me more advantage. But I would go there for the sake of, there are many people there, but I would go there. I will. But I do weigh options before I invest my money there. There's no difference if I buy Vault Funder today, $200,000 at a cheaper price than buying an expensive account that has got the same limit. There's nothing special about their drawdown. It's the same.
Yeah.
So I don't go there because of that. That's all. And also the fact that there are many people there. So I don't want a place where it's overcrowded.
Stoffy, we have already thought about it. We are chained to the man. We are going to, as we said, we definitely back Bonang full-heartedly with everything. We believe in him all the way. So anywhere we can give him a platform and help him out, and we work as a team and help each other, we will be doing it.
You must understand that 2Gs did adopt me, guys. This is home now. I have nowhere to go.
Hey, Chad, one of these days, Bonang's going to have his own office here in the 2Gs building.
That's the thing. Do you remember? You can go to YouTube, you see. I used to stream with Mo and 2 members of mine. They will be killing the market, 3 of us there on YouTube there. So here we are. So Kiggs and Chris really saw something in me and believed it. It's one thing for people to see something in you and then they believe in you and trust that what you have is unique. So that's why I am here. I just feel home. I'm very, very much safe. Well, Bonang can make you rich in 1 week if you trade a dollar account as a South African. Yeah. There's a prop firm that I hit 78,000 USD in a day. That one that funded me, funding pays 78,000 US dollars in a day. We can do more. We're not scared. We can do more. Think about it. 2G's office in Johannesburg. Let's see who is around Joburg, who is around Pretoria. Let's see. Maybe Chris and Kicks will consider having an office there. Then we plant something there, guys. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Lyndon, you must be in deep profit. Lyndon in the chat are enjoying themselves. Hey. Lyndon, let me ask these guys how they are doing on the group.
Lyndon's a US study baby now.
Yeah.
Bro, US study.
Do you see that we still have? Look at this other account, Kicks.
US study.
See that?
Just going.
It's running 55,000. This other account is running. You think it's one? There are many. This other one, 55,000.
And Chad, the worst thing is I won't enter now because you can't enter now. You've missed. That's what I always say to people. If you miss the bus, you miss the bus.
Yeah, true.
The man's 80%, 90% to TP. This is not now when you enter. You look at it and you laugh and you enjoy it, but you have to catch the next one. It's like, yeah.
Shoo. We are flying.
It's literally 3 months or 1 month candle and people think it's insider trading. Hey.
Jesus.
Keys is crazy. I grew a lot. I'm glad, my brother. I'm glad. Yeah, no FOMO. We catch the reversal back down. That's it, bro. We just have to wait. That's the thing. A lot of people will be like, this is a resistance area. Bang, sell. And then your sell gets clapped. This is a resistance area. Sell, bang, clapped. It needs to get to that area. Then you need to wait for it to show you some type of, let's call it break of structure, change of character. Show you that it's actually giving a criteria to sell. And then you can enter that sell. Because then again, yes, you can catch the move. But you can't, as I always say, try catch a fall enough. In this case, throw enough at this point.
You know why I feel sorry for people? People who are chasing Kenklis are in trouble.
Yeah.
In Forex, you must chase the price. Listen, price is what influences the movement. The pattern you are forming or you are seeing in the chart is simply based on price. So if you know the price, understand data, and analyze data, then you are good to go. That's where the calculation comes in, the mathematics. Okay, to be honest with you, putting money together for a 10K Vault Funder account, tell me, how much is a daily drawdown on a 10K account? Have you ever wondered that? It's how much?
$500.
$500. Why not fund your own $500? I mean, when you are going to a prop firm, you are looking for a bigger and a broader. Let's talk about something that gives you roughly $5,000 per day or $10,000 per day, because you are looking for capital. But if you go for a 500 daily drawdown, I'm telling you, that's where you find yourself losing and losing and losing time and again, because $500 has been something that continually loses. You know very well. Anyway, that's not financial advice. It's just a tip. What you use with that information is entirely up to you. Beautiful. I'm enjoying the songs here, guys. Jai. Jai. Shoo. Somebody must be dancing. Wherever you are. Nice. No illegal moves here. We don't do that here. Just don't go small on prop firms, guys. Go big. Buy the maximum and have a better daily drawdown. You are safer there. Other than going for small monies. You would rather fund at XM or your own broker. How long am I in PE for? I don't know. If the 2Gs extend my stay, I stay. I don't have anything that ties me back in Pretoria, but I'm around. I'm around. Join Mr. Bonang and learn the math. It's simple. If you understand the mathematics, then your trades will be smooth. More, are you in the chat, my brother? If you are in the chat, drop the word smooth. I know you are also enjoying the smoothness. Beautiful stuff, guys. Okay, that's an H1 Kingsley open. I don't like the way it's opening, but let's see. It's opening at a zone which was our Friday TP level, but let's see if we tap our zone there and continue going up. Let's see. Mo is eating. Lyndon, I know you are eating. There is no negotiations. Let me collect my 56K. I mean, greed sometimes is not good. So this account, I made 88K today. Very smooth. NASDAQ pushing up very well. So Mo, you are not here, or you just don't want to comment. So Mo, where are you? What strategy? The strategy I use is called the hybrid math strategy. The hybrid math strategy. We simply use calculations. We calculate using our calculator. 1 + 1 = TP. Really, I literally don't follow Kingleys. I follow the price. Think about a person trading this line. How are they trading? You can see there. Price. Price. Stick to the price. Stick to the price. Always stick to the price. Man, I think people have done this thing of candlestick patterns, this and that for several times. But tell me how many people are making money out of those things. Think about it. How long will you stay there with hope? And I will preach to you and say, no, you're gonna make it. Losses do happen. Man, there is a level that you must reach where we say wins happen every day. We can't be giving you hope. Let's be sure of what we are doing. Smooth. Look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. The hybrid math strategy. Yeah, Lyndon knows about it. Lyndon, maybe you can comment a little bit. Your experience. Don't expose our strategy, my brother. Your experience since you started joining the mathematics. Is it clear? You know, some of us, we trade with the president's daughters and sons. Our people are very, 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 very private people. They don't comment anyhow. We are trading with ministers. So they are private people, but they are here watching. They are watching. Check says 100% accurate. I mean, one thing that you need is to know the direction. That's it. What you do about it with that is now entirely up to you. Just don't be your own enemy. As far as I know, Bonang doesn't have EAs. I do have. I have Broker's Nightmare, Fundamental Strategy. I also have Bonang Finance EA. If you remember, Vault Funder, I was trading gold and I was using moving averages. So I built an EA based on those moving averages criteria. So I have that one, it keeps on stacking. If you see the videos of that EA, you will be shocked. But it's massive, my brother. It has got a lot multiplier. It keeps on increasing lot sizes. But in all this, the strategy, the EAs and everything, I prefer the mathematics. Well, I tried to get the mathematics into EA, but there is something that is very, very crucial and critical that I failed there. So I need to get a very advanced person who will fetch the mathematics data for me and then cause the EA to calculate it, and then we can be able to execute these trades properly. So roughly, it's one of the most big projects, but I feel like we can just do it manual since we are always there. So I do have EAs, man. Very, very good ones. Another lady in Namibia, she made almost 20,000 rand from our Broker's Nightmare. They love it. It trades New York session only. 4 minutes, you are done. Take profit, done. So it's very, very good. I know what I'm talking about. But I don't advocate for them. I don't advocate for these EAs. We used to, 2021, 2022, 2023. You know, I revealed this mathematics to those people or my students only last year, October. That's when I revealed it. I used to send them signals only without revealing the mathematics to them. So when I revealed the mathematics, I changed my services. I closed the signal services, and then I used a lifetime mentorship package that covers the light so that people don't chase the dark. And if the course that I had previously, yeah, it's good, but not beyond the mathematics. I mean, if you know the mathematics, you are delivered from the darkness, and already you are set free from a trap of guesswork. I mean, bro or my sister, just ask yourself when you go to the brokerage side, when you're opening a broker account, what do they say? They ask you a simple question. Have you worked in a financial institute before? That question is crucial. Ask yourself why they're asking you that question. There are things that people who work in the financial institute know far beyond traders. They are not ordinary people. This is what we are doing. It's not on the public eye. Even I have students who are still finding it difficult to understand this mathematics as well. But because of Zoom session and YouTube, we keep on pushing them until they get it. When you get it, you are independent, man. You can as well sell signals as much as well. If you only have license, please make sure you are licensed to do that. Bonang, you're staying for the week? No, I'm not gonna stay for the week. But I'm available. I mean, I'm around. It would all depend on how the schedules of the 2Gs is like, but I'm around.
Hey,
I'm around.
hey, there's your TP.
Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Shoo.
Hey, there you
Enjoy
go,
yourself.
Chad. Where's that other sound?
Fatality.
Enjoy yourself. Did you enjoy yourself?
Hey, Chad. That is market smacked over there.
I mean, look at it. How did NASDAQ go?
NASDAQ's catching up. Remember, Chad, we said to you guys, NASDAQ was either going to catch up to US30 or US30 was catching up to NASDAQ, and NASDAQ caught up to US30. Beautiful, beautiful trade.
Where are those W's? Show me those W's, guys. Just show me some love.
Nah, Chad, that was
Don't be
monster
jealous.
trade, yeah.
Show us some love. Beautiful. Thank you for those W's. Thank you, guys. Beautiful stuff.
But I think we definitely have the volume back today.
Yes. And it feels very great this week. This week, if we can be up 561,000 today. It's not 500. No, that account I made 88,000. This one. Now. So it's 563 plus 88,000. Think about it. You can do your mathematics. Thank you so much for those 2Gs. I mean, guys, if you were not here, we wouldn't be streaming. Smash that subscribe button and like and comment and also share. There are people who do these things live. No kululu, no kalala.
Hey, there we go, Chad.
I hope you enjoyed yourself. Let me welcome Ricardo. Welcome, Ricardo.
Oh, man, smashing you yesterday. Yeah.
Let me send the guys in the group to see. Smooth. Hi guys, I hope you have made it. Are you not happy? Like literally, guys, let me show you something. Actually, where the market is actually a buy entry based on the mathematics. And from that level, where the market is, are you happy? Enjoying yourself?
Phase 2. Phase 1, phase 2. You fun, bro.
You passed?
Phase 1 and phase 2.
Good.
In 1 3.
Good.
Phase 2.
Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself.
Hey, Chad.
You see, we arrive with passings and winnings here in the office. Guys, let's enjoy ourselves every day. Are you happy, Mo? Eh? You people, you must be happy. Are you happy?
Mo was selling, bro.
Eh?
I took sales.
Why? Where are you coming from? Are these the village people after you? Hi, Mo. We don't do that here. Okay.
Alright, bro. I told you that man was going to be in sales.
Mo. This guy. He made a mistake again today.
Hey, man.
Guys. Stuff.
Did Mo sell? Yes, he did.
But this guy, why is he like this?
Mo was brutalized before he arrived.
I mean, we own these buys together, man.
Hey, Chad.
Okay, literally based on the mathematics, this here is a buy entry. I hope this makes sense, please. This movement is not done up until that criteria is fulfilled. So let's just see how the behavior of the market goes. And then one would still want to look for more buys.
Sure, Chad.
How do you do that? This is one thing that it hates me a lot. But I think he's joking. Anyway, I think he's joking. How much is your mentorship? Is the mentorship? Our mentorship is... Should I mention the price? Kicks.
You can. Otherwise, I'd say just let me go check it out on your thing.
On the website.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there on the website, guys. You can go there and check. Most people, when they ask price, they run after I mention the price. I mean, guys, we have a live chat 24/7. If you go there, ask on that chat how much is mentorship, you get an answer. He didn't sell. Good, Mo. You don't do that. You don't do that.
Mo, did you really not sell?
Mo, he made money today. The other friend, he has passed 2 times. Phase 1 and phase 2. Done. Huh?
Hey.
No, Mo is safe, guys. He was joking.
Mo, we hope you're joking there.
Like, look at NASDAQ as well. I'm just going to remove these levels just for the sake of clarity in the chart. People must see this thing clear. If you're on London session, we projected these buys smoothly. we projected them smoothly. You know, this week, I feel like when I entered PE yesterday, I had a sense that, nay, man, we're going to win. I'm telling you. Yesterday, if you check our members, they will tell you, I spoke about this week, we're winning. No negotiations.
The boys were ready for it.
So these were sales on Friday, hit TP, and then took buys, targeting that level. How much did I risk? That account was with 30,000. So from 30,000, I made 88.
Hey, Chad, there you have it.
He didn't really get it when you said you like to go against the masses. Yeah, where people are going, there is always a trap there. Why are people running there? Run your own race. Find your own gold mine. Dig it there and enjoy yourself. When people realize that there is actually gold where you are, it will be too late. Let's read comments. Okay, these are W. Thank you. Man, I need to finish my evening work so I can catch the streams. Jesus, sorry. If Bonang uses the math, I call him quaint. You forgive me, guys. English is not my friend. I didn't go to school, so I don't know the meaning of that. And then I'm new here. Just saw a man download money live. Beautiful. Enjoy yourself. Please subscribe, follow, and like. This is what we do every day, Monday to Friday. I mean, today it's Monday, kicks. Let them mark it. Today it's Monday, we won. Let's come back Tuesday, we win again. Come back on Wednesday, we win again. This week alone, there won't be a loss. We can bet on that one.
Bonang, if I may ask, what's your win rate and win streak? Haven't seen a loss on your analysis ever.
Yeah, so that means it's 100%. I lose when I want. People don't understand when I say that statement. I lose when I decide to lose. So Bonang, you don't trade currencies? No, I enjoy indices. I used to trade currencies, but for me, GBP USD, GBP JPY, more similar. GBP USD it moves exactly as US 30 and NASDAQ anyway. So on a higher time frame, I can do it, but there is money in technology, guys. So do these companies that surround tech. So there's money in technology more than anything. So I prefer NAS 100 and US 30 for now. I just want us to see the behavior of this market here. There's a possibility of us jumping from that zone all the way to that TP. So it's still a buy anyway. This studio has got nice music, kicks. If I trade there, I'll kill this market. So this music is really, really motivating me to go hard.
Hey, man.
I'm telling you.
Milk these guys.
I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy because I'm home. Also, this music now, it's enjoyable. And again, the 2Gs took me to lunch. Think about it. Why should I not be happy?
There you go, Chad.
NAS 100 buy for the win. Daily low, taken 5 minutes reversal model, and boom, enjoy yourself. Amen. Enjoy yourself. How did you discover the mathematics? This is the Lord is doing, my brother. It's a gold mine on its own. Bona, what is your win rate and win stake, if I may ask? Should be 100%. Like I said, I lose when I want. Sometimes when I say I lose when I want, guys, there are days where I myself over leverage. And remember, I'm running prop firms. So if a prop firm is giving me a limit of 100,000 or 200,000, so I over leverage. That small pullback alone can actually cause me to close those trades, simple because the market at that particular moment is going to breach my account. Not really that I am wrong. So that's how I lose. there is that kind of greediness that comes in a human being, obvious. So there's that pullback that I've entered big positions, and then that small pullback, then I close my trades just to save my account. But the following day, I'll harm them hard, like I'm doing today. Bonang, okay, that one we've answered. Mr. Bonang, how did you? Okay, I've answered. The lunch PQ. But I'm just enjoying the fact that there is nice music here. Don't you hear the vibes? Kicks.
Yeah,
You see
my
that
brother.
US state is pushing. I mean the NASDAQ.
NASDAQ's pushing, bro. Just took Asia highs. That thing's gonna go now.
There are blues, man. I mean, blues are every day, my guy. It's a daily thing for us. Blues are daily thing for us. This one I say it with confidence. Blues are a daily thing for us. I don't know why these people are not here on the chat. Let me ask them. Why are you people not on the chat? Guys, why are you not on the chat there? It's like I'm all alone. What's happening? No comments from you. That's why I said I trade with ministers. These ministers, they don't comment anyhow. So ministers don't comment anyhow in public.
Are you still holding longs on US30?
Yeah, but I mean, US30, based on the strat, guys, this is our buy entry today. Where the price is at. That's our buy entry. From this level, we're coming here. So holding buys is very, very crucial. But for me, I have closed enough for me for the day. I mean, it's enough. Tomorrow is another day. But nevertheless, still on a buying zone. There where the price is. It's a buy entry on its own. A breakout there, we are running smoothly to the TP. Lyndon is here. Yeah. Are you happy, Lyndon? Tell the chat.
Great day today. When I see you on your next group Zoom.
Perfect, Kelly. That's another individual in the group again.
There we go.
Enjoy yourself.
Looking forward to the podcast. You guys definitely, I promise you, keep a lookout for that one. TP hits. Hey.
Beautiful, Lyndon. Enjoy yourself. Others are ministers. They are not here yet. But guys, you must never think that the mathematics is simple. Eh? You need the individual to be there to show you the way, or else on your own you are going to mess it up. Especially with this theory that people gave you about candlesticks and everything. All right, another one says, "I'm grateful and I finally meet. I finally feel like I'm winning." Yes, definitely you are winning. And then, sorry, Bonang, I can't make it on stream. I am on a meeting. Yeah.
Keys, I drove you today. No, my brother. I wanted a certain outlook. Didn't give what I wanted. As I said, was in the gold bars this morning. I was taking out break even and they had that push. So technically that's my 2 bullets. So yeah, nothing really for me.
Done for the day. Passed another 50K challenge. Smooth equity curve. Enjoy yourself, Kelly. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. I do understand why some people don't comment. You know, it can be crazy to win every day. You will think that you are dreaming. You understand? It can be a dream. You'll be like, what kind of a dream is this? I mean, if you are used to defensive trading and losses, it's a problem. So 1 + 1 = 2. Yeah, you can be in shock of winning. You don't know. It can be scary that you are winning every day.
People don't know what's going on.
Yeah, you'll be like, what's going on? How long have you been trading, Bonang, and how long did you take out? Okay, just stay tuned for the podcast.
Yeah.
Podcast, I think, is coming out very soon.
Yeah, guys, just wait for the podcast for all those
You'll
things.
get answers. You'll get answers. Clean and powerful answers. Kelly is not learning the maths, he's mastering the math. Kelly is the one who says they've passed the the 50K right now on our membership. 50K passed. And you hear the statement, another 50K. How many? Think about how many accounts this person has made and how much they are passing.
1 plus 1. Hey, there we go.
1 plus 1 equals 2. Right, you see, NASDAQ pushing up very well. I just want to see it breaching all that level, hitting our TP. But one would want to break even and run that trade smoothly without any stress, right? Move your stop loss just at least to your entry so you can be more safer. That's what I can say. That's a break even there.
Manifesting more shocks my way. Hey.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it must scare you to win every day. I mean, when you are used to hitting losses and losses, you know there are people who can still. I have a friend of mine who wants to still figure out how to lose. He's in America there, my friend. He's called Jack. Jack, he wants to find a way to lose, but we can't lose. We are winning. What's the time kicks? Okay, 23 past.
Yeah, we're gonna get ready to finish up.
Yeah, and then we move to the next day. But nevertheless, the market is a bit slowing down. Okay, let me show you something on NASDAQ, guys. If you check here, this was the opening, right? The market opened from this level and it dropped, right? After dropping, you see, this was an opening, right? Dropped and then went up above that entry level. So the slowingness of this level really means price was retesting this somewhere. So we may dip in or push up. Let me check something based on the maths and I just want to confirm something. Da-da-da-da-da-dum.
The math is all you need, hey.
We are murdering them, sir. We are brutalizing them. But guys, Sepang, why would you comment on my phone, not on the stream? This one says, this is the guy who made 15,000 rand from a 200 account.
Hey.
From the mathematics. He made a withdrawal. He paid only 800 for that account. He made 15,000.
There we go. That's what the people want to hear.
Mm-hmm.
Chad, but I think we are going to get ready to wrap it up there. A little bit of other stuff we have to do behind the scenes. Bunang, any closing things there just with that market update on your side?
For me, I would say US 30, guys. Well, from our entry level, it was a good smooth sailing up very well. But this is not a complete movement. I hope this makes sense, please, guys. At this level here is our buy entry based on the mathematics, right? This here is our CV. And from that CV, this price is still going to push all the way to 42,986. However, you need to wait for this price just to at least retest somehow. And you find a way how this candle closes like, right? And then enter buys again all the way to 42,986. Basically, that's what I can say about this market on US30. Jumping to NASDAQ, where we are sitting right now, we are seeing a slowdown, more like a resistance, but it's a mini resistance. I believe that from this level, let me just confirm something. What kind of data am I receiving? Basically based on the direction of the market. I want to see how the opening is like, and then we take it from there. Just a little bit, where is that? All right. Kind of giving some bearish signs. So breaking even has always been safe on NASDAQ, and also breaking even has always been safe on US30. This is all I can say. One, you don't want to buy at all-time highs, right? You don't want to buy at all-time highs. You would rather wait for a retest and then push up. I hope this makes sense. Please understand this. And then as of NASDAQ giving some bearish data feed as well. So somehow let's see how this market behaves, but we are still targeting 21,527. But for now, let us cruise nicely up until we meet again tomorrow, London.
Yeah, Chad, very, very exciting one, yeah. No trade from my side, but Bonang absolutely milking the markets. Very, very, you guys, you got to see it all live from this London session to now hitting TPs. We had the man on stream here today, and trust me, it was worth it. It was eventful. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we're going to see tomorrow if we have him back here, and then again for shooting the podcast. So make sure you guys keep a lookout for that. And again, Chad, do not go giving those profits back to the market now. But Chad, we're going to see you guys same place, same time tomorrow as always. Bonang, thanks for joining me here today, my brother.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you. Salute everyone. Enjoy your day.
There we go, Chad. So as always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, cheers.